When we think of donuts, we often imagine a sweet, delightful treat capable of brightening up any day. But what if we look deeper? Beneath the sugar glaze and sprinkles lies a story of innovation, tradition, and meticulous craftsmanship. This is the tale of how a humble idea became an integral part of our culinary history. Join us as we explore the enchanting journey of the donut and the art behind its creation. The donut's journey began in the mid-19th century when Dutch settlers introduced oliekoek, or oil cakes, to America. These early donuts were simple fried dough balls, often stuffed with nuts or fruit to ensure even cooking. As the recipe evolved, Hanson Gregory, a sea captain from New England, is credited with inventing the ring-shaped donut in 1847. He cut a hole in the center to ensure the dough cooked evenly, giving birth to the iconic donut shape. Over time, by the 20th century, donuts had solidified their place in American culture. During World War I, they were served to soldiers as a comforting reminder of home. By the 1940s, donuts had become more than just a snack, they were a symbol of innovation and community. The modern era of donut making began with the advent of large-scale production techniques. This revolution was driven by two goals: consistency and quality. Let's delve into how today's donuts are crafted through a captivating blend of tradition and technology. Every donut begins with carefully selected ingredients. Unbleached flour, natural oils, fresh eggs, and refined sugar form the foundation. These ingredients are sourced from trusted suppliers to ensure each bite meets rigorous standards. Behind the scenes, food scientists work tirelessly to refine recipes, balancing flavors and textures. At the heart of the process lies dough preparation, a mix of precision and artistry. In modern facilities, industrial spiral mixers handle massive batches of dough. Once ready, conveyor belts transport the dough to rollers, flattening it into even sheets. These sheets are then cut into perfect donut rings or other creative shapes. A donut's signature flavor comes from its golden brown crust. Achieving this requires precise frying. Industrial fryers maintain an exact temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius, allowing donuts to cook for 45 seconds per side. This process creates a crispy exterior while keeping the interior soft and fluffy. After frying, donuts are cooled before moving on to flavor enhancement. Here, machines coat them with a thin glaze, ranging from classic sugar to rich chocolate. For filled donuts, nozzles inject creamy custards, fruit jams, or chocolate ganache into the center. The finishing touches include colorful sprinkles, crushed nuts, shredded coconut, or even intricate caramel drizzles. Each element is designed to delight both the eyes and the palate. The journey doesn't end with production. To preserve freshness, donuts are carefully packed in eco-friendly boxes designed for transport. Whether served at a local bakery or delivered to your doorstep, the goal is to ensure every donut reaches customers in perfect condition. The story of the donut isn't just a tale of dessert, it's a journey through history, a testament to innovation, and a celebration of flavor. Each donut carries the legacy of centuries of culinary evolution and the passion of countless artisans and engineers. So, the next time you enjoy a donut, take a moment to appreciate the story behind this creation, a sweet story that continues to inspire and connect us all.